Sometimes people want to know what is normal. It's not uncommon for us to get emails, phone calls, messages that their hedgehog is huffing, puffing when they first get it out of the cage or pick it up. That is completely normal. Your hedgehog is saying it's scared. I don't know you. I need to protect myself from you. So that is completely normal. But what we want to overcome in the bonding process, you don't want your hedgehog to click or pop, because that is a sign of extreme, um, feels extremely threatened. So we want to try to avoid that, but it is completely normal for your hedgehog to huff and puff when it's in its cage, when it's out of the cage, and that's completely fine. The more you hold your hedgehog outside of the cage, letting it relax and doing a lot of nothing, the quicker your hedgehog will learn that you are safe, that you are trustworthy, and the bonding progress will progress. It might take you 2 days, it might take you 2 weeks, it might take you 2 months, but the key is letting your hedgehog feel safe. Try not to evoke that huffing or puffing by reaching into the bag, trying to touch it when it's clearly saying don't touch me, but simply wait. As you wait, the hedgehog will learn that you're safe and comfortable.